Hello, this is Scotty with ScottyAnimation. Covering up the microphone there. Uh, this video was going to be about retro hardware that I'm working on, but it's also going to be about, I'm going to answer a question that I keep getting over and over and over again via emails and comments, and it's about when I'm going to release a new game. It's been years since I've written an Android game, but I'm going to get to that in just a minute. Let me talk about this real quick. Okay, so this is a Tandy 1400 computer from like 1987, 86, 87. I don't know. And I recently got a CF flash card hard drive emulator thing. I got this piece of plastic there holding it so it don't, short out on the circuit board there. It kind of works and it kind of don't. I think I need to get a real compact flash card for this, because right now I've got an SD card to compact flash adapter, and I don't think it likes it. In fact, I know it don't like it because it doesn't work. It tries, but it recognizes the board, but otherwise it doesn't work. So this is the power supply to the computer. This Tandy 1400 is unmodified in that I've got one sitting back here where you can't see it, that I put a modern LCD screen in. I built a power supply for it, and that's sitting back here. But this one's got the original screen here, and this works. I did replace the electroluminescent display in here with a new one, and it's much brighter than the original that came with it, because it's really old. But this computer came with a hard drive controller, which I don't see why it would not work, but I couldn't get the hard drive to work on it, I think. Oh. Parts everywhere. The original hard drive right here with the hard drive controller, I don't know if the hard drive's messed up or it's the controller board. I don't know. But so I went with this thing. It's a compact flash adapter for the Tandy 1400 laptop by, I think, Select or something, and it recognizes the card, but this card, but it does not. I think it doesn't recognize the compact flash card. So I'm gonna have to troubleshoot that. Now, of course, maybe the operating system we're using that I've got on there, I don't know. If any of you retro guys know what I'm doing wrong, let me know. I'll power it up real quick so you can see what it's doing. It'll come up. There it goes. it doesn't recognize a compact flash card as valid. So let me get the focus there. There's the Amstrad. It's in pieces. That's another ongoing project. I've got to do something about the cassette recorder player on it. I'm trying to replace it with a modern day something. Made several attempts at it and failed, but I'm gonna try again with something else. I was trying to use old MP3 players, and this one was kind of successful, but not quite. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the games. Like I said before, I've got just a lot of emails and comments over the years about when am I going to release another so-called horror game. You know, I've never really written horror games. They were more suspenseful. You know, there wasn't really anything in there that I think people would consider horror. And so, I mean, I've got so many requests for it. I guess I will release another suspense game. And I just need to know what platform you guys would like that on. Linux, Windows, Macintosh, Android, iOS. What would you like that on? I may use somebody else's game engine. In the past, I always wrote my own game engines, just because that was part of the fun of it. But I think that if I made a new game, that I would probably just concentrate on the idea and the story, and you know, go ahead and use a proven platform, aka game engine, to put it on, because that takes a lot of work to create your own game engine. Well, for me it does. And you know, years ago when I wrote Android games, writing the game engines from scratch that's what took the majority of the time for me. So just let me know what platform you'd like to see it on, and I will try to get on that as quickly as possible. Alright, that's the end of this video. It's more or less just an update. So I've got various machines in state of disrepair. I'll probably set this one to the side and focus on the Amstrad, because I think I'm going to have to get a real compact flash for this to work, because I think this SD card to compact flash adapter is not going to cut the mustard. So yeah, I think I'm going to go back to the Amstrad and get it working so I can do some stuff on it. Alright, this is ScottyAnimation. I'll talk to you guys later.